Hi everyone, my name is Jaina Reddy. I'm a CSC data science student at IIRA Hyderabad. In this video, I'm going to explain about characteristics of wave function. In quantum physics, a wave function is a mathematical description of a quantum state of particle as a function of momentum, time, and position and spin. The symbol used for a wave function is a Greek letter used called psi. By using a wave function, the probability of finding an electron within the matter wave can be explained. This can be obtained by including an imaginary number that is squared to get a real number solution resulting in the position of an electron. The concept of wave function was introduced in the year 1925 with the help of the Schrödinger equation. Schrödinger equation is defined as a linear partial differential equation describing the wave function psi. The equation is named after Erwin Schrödinger. Using the postulates of quantum mechanics, Schrödinger could work on the wave function. Following in the is the equation of Schrödinger equation. Time-dependent Schrödinger equation. IH derivative t psi of RT equals to h22m power 2 plus v of RT psi of RT. Time-independent Schrödinger equation minus h22 m square plus v of r psi of r equals to e psi of r, where m is mass of the particle and delta is Laplacian. I is imaginary unit. H equals to h by 2 pi. Reduced Planck constant. E constant equal to the equal energy level of the system. Properties of the wave function. All measurable information about the particle is available. Psi should be continuous and single value. Using the Schrödinger equation, energy calculations becomes easy. Probability distribution in 3 dimensions is established using the wave function. The probability of finding a particle, if it exists, is 1. Postulates of quantum mechanics. With the help of the time-dependent Schrödinger equation, the time evolution of wave function is given. For a particle in a conservative field of force system using wave function, it becomes easy to understand the system. The linear set of independent functions is formed from the set of eigenfunctions of operator Q. Operator Q associated with a physical measurable property Q is Hermitian. By performing the expectation value integral with respect to the wave function associated with the system, the expectation value of the property Q can be determined. For every physical observable Q, there is an operator Q operating on wave function associated with a definite value of that observable such that it yields wave function of that many times. Now particle type, rest mass, spin, mathematical form of phi, nature of phi, psi, wave function. And on the left side, photon, scalar particle, lepton or electron, and electron. So photon does not rest, and its spin is 1. Mathematical form of psi in photon is vector. Nature of phi in photon is a special solution of BWE, wave function of photon, wave function of light by Maxwell. Scalar particle, yes. Spin is 0. Mathematical form of psi, scalar. Nature of psi, a special solution of BWE, wave equation. Klein-Gordon equation. Lepton or electron. Rest mass. Yes. Spin half. Mathematical form of psi. Spinor. Nature of psi. Special solution of BWE. Wave equation. Dirac equation. Electron. Rest mass. Yes. Spin half. Mathematical form of psi. Scalar. Nature of psi. An approximate solution of BWE. Wave function. Schrödinger equation. Quantum does not mean corpuscle like. Thank you.